Nice and beautiful, guys. Anyway, cantaloupe, you got the yellow melon, and you got white melon. So right here I have roughly about half of the yellow melon, which I'm going to make a nice lovely yellow melon smoothie, or juice, or whatever you want to call it, guys. So basically you can get this at the shop to buy. Use a spoon and scrape out the middle bit with this, you know what I mean, like this. Secondly, just gonna use a knife, or you can use a peeler and remove the skin on the outside. Alright guys, so this is what we now want to do. Lovely. I'm using a small knife, but this one, all you have to do is just try and keep it simple. You know what I mean? And you don't need no whole heap of sweetness in this one. Cut it up and put it straight inside of your blender, or your smoothie blender where you have at home to work with. You might have said, oh, it looks like that Chef Ricardo, but because I have it in my fridge, you know, yeah, keep it in the fridge. I can. Secondly, lime, or if you have lemon. So what we're gonna do, remove the skin from the lemon. Cut into half and put it straight inside of it. Ginger. Can't do this without ginger. So we're gonna just simply remove the skin from the ginger. And we're just gonna be using a little piece of a ginger like this. Cut into half and just put it straight inside of it. Just put a little bit of water to free up the blender. Alright. Not only that, also, don't get me wrong, if you have celery, you can put a piece of a celery inside of it. You know what I mean? Because celery is really good for us. Cover it, and we're just keeping it real and natural like this. Alright? What we're going to do, we're just going to be blending this for about 3 to 4 seconds. As you can see for yourself what's going on right there. Nice and lovely. So that's it so far. Alright, now let's get it into a glass. Nice. So that's ready, done and dusted. So what we're going to do now is just pour it out like this. Look at that. Is that beautiful and nice and simple? Summer look. Yes. So through summer, start the morning like this. Can't go wrong, guys. And that is a fantastic melon smoothie recipe from Chef Ricardo. I want to take the time out to say thank you guys for watching, and please stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get to your favorite recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. As I said, there's a lot more recipe there where you guys can see all made by smoothie. Enjoy, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.